Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with the Insane. How do you know I'm insane? I'm a New York Jets fan. You'd have to be insane to put yourself through that fucking misery for 38 years. Anyway, it's always good to have snacks at the football game. But I'm too lazy to go to the store because I'm enjoying my Sunday home with my beautiful wife. So, you want a good snack? Here goes. Some soft taco tortillas. Ole! You take one of the, or two in this case. I had it at the wrong end. This really is insane, see? This is like I'm the Joker trying to provide lunch. Now I have more of the physical form of the penguin. What the?
Please don't mess it all up here. Don't really get me on film, please. I don't want to be in it.
That's my wife opening it for me.
What did you do to the package?
I took the top part off.
It was already off.
Oh.
I've eaten 4 of these.
Oh, well, you see how insane I am? I didn't even know. You can tell I was a fan of the Uncle Floyd show, obviously. So you take the tortilla and you get a paper plate. Or maybe 7 paper plates. I don't know. What's going on here?
Just use it. It's fine.
You take the tortilla, you put down, you have your creamy peanut butter. You acquire a knife. This is from the O.J. Simpson knife brand. Too soon? You spread the peanut butter like it's a Hilton Sisters legs, far and wide, around the burrito, or what will potentially be a burrito. Like so.
This is a disgrace to burritos everywhere.
Well, yes, but I'm not from California. We don't want to use a lot of cheese. We're going to put some cheese in here, too. If I can,
You did say this is Cooking with the Insane, right?
yes.
Okay.
So I did say insane. Well, I'm having no luck with getting anything open today. The way I'm having luck getting things open, it's a wonder I'm not a virgin. And then you put the cheese gracefully over the peanut butter.
And then you take some cheese and you feed it to the dog.
Yeah, she's going to sit down there and beg and bark anyway. Which is fine. That's what dogs do. They beg, they bark. And then you take the burrito and you fold it like it's a finely rolled Cuban cigar. Well, actually, I didn't do that too. Well, I got some of it right. And then, voila. You have a peanut butter and cheese burrito. Cooking with the Insane.